Anything you want to say about radio or your test bench or anything?
No.
This is great. I have never seen a shop like this.
Tell them your address.
Yeah, if you want to give your address or the name of it, or you have a website?
No, I don't have a website. You can put my phone number on there if you want to.
Yeah, go ahead. What is your phone number?
719-989-7651.
And you repair CB radios or anything, huh?
That's right. Dr. Duck's Quack Shack.
Dr. Duck's Quack Shack.
That's right.
I'll take that. Fantastic. You got my website. This is too neat. All right, thanks guys. I'll get out of your way.
That's okay.
All right,
Have
see
a
ya.
great day.
You too.